If you're watching this video, then congratulations, because you are now Google Digital Sales certified and you'll have a certification just like the one that you see on screen. Now in this video, what I want to do is show you how to promote your certification so you can really secure your next interview, promotion or client. And I'll show you how to put it on LinkedIn, how to print your certificate, and how to add it to any freelancing platforms. So to get started, what you want to do is just log into your Academy for Ads account. Once you log in, you'll come to a screen like this. Then you want to click up on the right hand side and really come down to My Profile. And you want to click into your certificate. And the layout seems to change since I did this last. So just click around if you need to. But right now, you can click here. And then up here, you can see the option to download the certificate. So we can go ahead and download the certificate. And you can go ahead and just download it to your desktop. So there we go, I have the certificate now, and what a lot of people like to do is actually print this out and put it on their desk, maybe in a small frame, or even just the piece of paper they can staple up against the side of their cubicle. That gives good evidence to their boss and colleagues that they've taken a certification and that they kind of know what they're doing. So if you do work in an office, this can be a great thing to do. To just print it out, put it up in your cubicle or frame it on the wall. And it does give you that extra credibility then with your colleagues that you do have this certification. Now, what you also might like to do if you want to show it off online is to add it to your LinkedIn profile. So go ahead and just log into your LinkedIn profile. And then you want to come down to the end here. And you can see there's a section for accomplishments. And there's also a section for certifications. So click Add Certification. You can just type in Google Digital Sales Certification. Certification authority is Google. So this is great because we're going to get their logo up in our profile. There's no license number, and what you want to do is actually get the month that it's valid from and to. So on the certificate itself, it actually says valid through to the 21st of March 2020. So I can put in here March 2020. Now I just need to come back and say come back to the Academy for Ads to see when I passed it, and that was 2018. So again, it's just March 2020 or 2018 there. I'm getting confused. So there we go. We can just go ahead and click save now. And if we scroll down, we can see this now 3 certifications. This particular one is the Google Digital Sales certification. We've got Google's logo on our LinkedIn profile now, and that looks absolutely fantastic. Now there's no link to the certification, so I do want to show you a quick tip about how you can link to the actual certificate. So if people click through, they go, okay, well, he's really got the certificate. He didn't just add that in for no reason. So to do that, you can see down here, there is an option for the certification URL. If you come into the Academy for Ads, they don't really give you a actual URL with your certificate there. So a little workaround that I've figured out is open up your Google Drive or your Dropbox. If you don't have either of those, you can sign up for them for free. And then what you want to do is just click New, File Upload, and you will be able to upload your certificate that you've downloaded to your desktop. And I've done that before, and here it is here. So this is my certificate. Then what you can do on both Dropbox or Google Drive or any other file sharing services, there will be an option to share the link. And so you just want to get a shareable link, copy that, and then you can paste that into your LinkedIn profile and where it says certification URL. Now, as a reminder, the difference that this makes is that if people actually click through to see your certificate, then they can actually see that you've completed it there, and that just gives a little bit more credibility to your online profile. Now, What a lot of people like to do as well is put this link on freelancing platforms or their personal website, maybe their business website. And again, the same idea, that it's not that you've just added this in here, that you're saying you got it, you're proving that you got it. And that just gives you that extra credibility and helps you to secure that next interview, promotion, or client. Now, another thing that you can do on LinkedIn that I'd recommend you do if you want to promote your certificate out even further is to actually come in and make a post. So you can say, delighted to become certified in digital sales certification, and you can mention people in this post. That could be a colleague, your boss that you want to get the promotion from. It could be a company that you're looking to get hired into maybe, or just a company you're working for so that they can reshare that out. This is an example of a good employee who's improving themselves. They might want to share that out. Or you can just mention me if you want and just say, hey, thanks, I got certified, course was great, something like that if you want. Now you'll see here that there is an option to add the image, and it is a good idea to add the image of the certification. Now one thing that you'll want to do is, right now this is a PDF, so whatever computer you're on, it might be slightly different, but I'm going to click File here, Export. I'm on a Mac, export as a JPEG, and then I'm just going to save this to my desktop as a JPEG. And the reason I'm doing that is because you can't upload a PDF here. It has to be an image, so that's why I'm changing it to a JPEG, which you can see I can't upload the PDF. I can upload the JPEG here. So I'm just going to click that, and then I can say, you know, hey, just got certified in digital sales, improve my skills, whatever hashtags you want to use, and that'll go out to all of your followers, which in my case is over 1,000 people. So that's pretty good posts that you can put out showing that you are improving your skills. So as a reminder, you can print out your certification, you can add your certification to LinkedIn on your profile, and you can also add it here or share it out to all your followers on LinkedIn. And all of those steps to promote your certification can help you secure that next interview, promotion, or client. So implement those steps and get the promotion out there.